Welcome to the Labor to the Rescue tutorial on how to register and apply for jobs in the LTTR website. Let's begin. First, you hit the register button, which is located always at the top. And you hit register. There's two options, candidate and employer. You will hit candidate and fill out the information. So you can put the username, password, first name, last name, email. While you do that, you will click that I agree to the privacy policy, and then you click register your account. Since I'm already registered, I will just log in using the information I have. Since now I'm logged in, you will know that your login is when they say hi and your name. After that, I will go down to the section when it says I am a job seeker and I am an employer, and I will click on get started on job seekers. It will send me to another page, the job page, when it has 500 jobs, and I will put in the keywords, the job title. For the job title, I will put cashier. Location, I will put Brooklyn. Job type, I will put full-time, and categories, I will put restaurant. Then I will click on counterperson at Grill Restaurant Corporation. Then another window will pop up. So I apply for the job. I'll put my full name, email address, cell phone number, my qualification, and I'll upload my resume. I will hit submit resume and apply. Then it will send me to another page where it says submit your resume below to apply for the job counterperson. So I will put my full name, location, I will put my address, my email address, which is already filled out. The region is New York. Professional title will be cashiers and salesman. For resume categories, I will put restaurant and retail. On resume content, I have 5 years experience on sales. I'll go down and hit preview. It will show me to the next preview, and I will hit submit resume. And after I hit submit resume, I have officially applied for the job as a counterperson in Grill Restaurant. And that's it. That's how you apply for a job and sign up on the LTTR Labor to the Rescue website. Thank you for watching.